Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we are going to talk about another example for Route Guard, where we will learn about the CanDeactivate Route Guard. Prior to this session, we talked about CanDeactivate Route Guard, then we talked about CanDeactivate Child Route Guard. So this session is in the continuation of the same, where we will be talking about CanDeactivate Route Guard. Okay, so we will proceed in the same way. Like firstly, I'll explain you the requirement. According to the requirement, we will build the code and we will verify the output in the end. But before we proceed further with this session, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be much more easier for you to understand the ongoing topic, because for timing we are just mainly focusing on how to use a route guard, how to create a CanDeactivate Route Guard. And for sequential content, you can refer the Tech Sharmit digital course book, which is freely available in the description box. From there you can take a reference and you can create your applications, because there are more than 3000 plus resources available in Hindi as well as English, not only for Angular but for other programming as well. Okay, so you can refer that. Alright, so let's get started. Here you can see I have put one main heading, that is Angular 19 course by Tech Sharmit. After that I will put my second heading, which will tell the title of today's session, that is example for CanDeactivate Route Guard in Angular. Okay, example for CanDeactivate Route Guard in Angular. After that I will put one horizontal row. And now firstly, let me tell you what is CanDeactivate. So this is a route guard which will help us to notify the user. Let's say you are working on a contact page. Okay, there you are filling one form. Now after filling it, let's say 70%, you by mistakenly click on any of the particular link to change your route. So in that situation, it will give you one, like if you have applied this route guard, it will give you the notification that the changes are unsaved. Do you really want to go? Something like this. Okay, so basically it will help us to, before leaving the route, it will ask for the confirmation. If you allow it, it will leave it. Otherwise it will stay on the same page without losing the changes. Okay, so that this is a very simple thing. Now what we will do here, to explain this thing, we have about component, we have contact component, and it comes with 4 files. I'm sure you know about the contact components, because we have already discussed it in our previous session. In case you don't know, I'll tell you the command and then you can create it. So just simple command ng for Angular, g generate c component and the name of the component, let's say about. So when you click enter on it, it will add the component. Okay, so by default it comes with 4 files. I just change one thing here, like instead of paragraph about works, I make it as heading 1 about page. That's the only change. Similarly in contact page, I have added as of now only this thing, but later I will modify it. Okay, I'll tell you. So components are ready. Now it's time to create the route guard, because we are sure that we will be using the CanDeactivate. So let's create it. So for that you can open your terminal from here, click on new terminal, and then here you can write ng, which is for Angular, g generate, g guard, the name of the folder, let's say route guard, then /, and then the name of the route guard. Let's say I want to create it with deactivate name only, deactivate. Okay, deactivate is the name of my route guard. Fine. And then we will write here -- implements CanDeactivate and press enter. So when you press enter, it will create the folder. Route guard folder is added with 2 files, spec.ts and guard.ts. So in guard.ts we will write the logic. So let me remove the unnecessary thing from here, expand it, and here I will define one constant for the confirm leave. Okay, so I will write here confirm leave equal confirm. Then we will write here you have unsaved changes. Do you really want to leave this page? Okay, so this thing we will just keep it as a confirm leave. Now after that we will simply return the value of this confirm leave. So basically it is a boolean value, so either it will return true or a false depending. So let's say I put comment here, so you can say true means allow and false means not true. True equals allow and false equal stay on the same page. Okay, so this is the thing. I'll just save it. I just saved it and it automatically aligned my code. That is completely fine. Now the next thing is we will go to app.component.html file, or maybe before that we should configure the routes. So let's configure the route. We will go to app.route.ts file. We will expand it. After expanding it, we will define the path. So let me put path as firstly the default path, comma redirect to about. Okay, then we will put here path match, then we will write here full. Perfect. Similarly we will define the next path, so I'll write here path colon about comma component about component, then a comma again. Here I will define path contact component contact component. Perfect. So this path is ready, and this one is the one where we will apply the CanDeactivate, right, route guard. So let's put CanDeactivate here colon, then we will write here, you are supposed to put the name of the route guard. So from where you will get from this file deactivate guard. Okay, so go to route.ts file. Here you can define CanDeactivate. No, CanDeactivate, we have to write deactivate guard. Perfect. So this thing is ready. Fine. So let's save the file, and now it's time to go to app.component. Maybe we will firstly go to app.component.ts file. Why TS file? Because here we will define the router outlet, which is for showing the output, and router link, which is for providing the anchor tag link. Perfect. So just import this thing, make sure it is imported here as well, and then you can save it. After a save, we will go to app.component.html. Here we will define the anchor tags. So let me, if you want, you can put it in a nav, that is also good. And then I will write here about, maybe we can write click to about, click to, yeah, simple. Let's keep it simple, about. And here I will write router link equal, and then I will write here about. Make sure to put it in a same case, otherwise it won't work. Okay, because this is case sensitive. Here I will write component contact, not component, contact, and then here I will write router link as contact / contact. Something is wrong? No. Fine. So this thing is ready, and then we will write here another HR tag for horizontal row, HR tag, and then we will write here router outlet. Perfect. This code is ready. Now what we will do, we will simply go to contact.html. Here I'll just prepare one form kind of thing. So let's say a simple form, then we will write here label. Here I will write enter your name. Okay, this is just a simple form, so enter your name, semicolon, and this. Then we will write here one input field just to take the input. Maybe we can write BR tag also here just to look it proper, show it properly. Okay, in input we will write here type as text, then we will write here placeholder and your name. Okay, then we will write here BR tag 2 times. Okay, and then we will write here button In button we will write here submit and type as submit. Perfect. So this is ready. Now let's verify the output. So here I will write ng serve --- open to run the application, and then it will show me this kind of thing. So you can see currently I am on about page because we have set the default route, and it is showing about page heading. Perfect. When I click on contact, okay, something is wrong again. Let's see. Inspect console, cannot match any routes. Maybe something wrong with the case sensitivity or something. So let's see. app.component.route.ts we will see first. Contact, let's copy it so that we are not making any mistake. I think we put, oh yeah, we put this capital C, that's why it was showing error. Let's refresh it. Okay, now I will try again. Click on contact. So you can see this form is coming. Now suppose I am writing this form, maybe right now we have only one field, but there might be multiple fields, right? And instead of clicking on submit, by mistakenly I click on this about. So what it will do, it will show me this message: you have unsaved changes, do you really want to leave the page? If I click on cancel, it will keep me on the same page. If I click on the OK, it will leave the route. So basically this route guard is helping us to confirm whether I have saved my changes or not. Okay, so that is the whole sole purpose of using the CanDeactivate Route Guard. So I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.